So these two are our EPS cables, and these go up here in the top corner, which is why we want to deal with these before we put the cooler in. You will see when I go to put the cooler in that we won't see these connections anymore, so trying to get to them after the fact is a very big, painful process. So I highly recommend doing this in your build, if you're doing a build, before you put your cooler in. Especially if it's a modular power supply. If it's not, go ahead and put your power supply in and then do these. But you definitely want to get these in first. I'm gonna have to zip tie these things or something. There we go. We got our EPS cables in.